Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up Asana API. If you're looking to integrate Asana with other tools or automate your workflows, setting up API access is essential, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, you'll want to click your profile photo in the bottom left corner of your Asana workspace. This is where you'll access all your account-related settings and preferences. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open up your personal settings window where you can manage everything from notifications to app integrations. Now look for the Apps tab at the top of the settings window and click on it. This section is specifically designed for managing third-party applications and integrations that connect with your Asana account. Once you're in the Apps tab, scroll down until you find the View Developer Console text and click on it. This will take you to the Developer Console, which is where you'll create and manage your API tokens. Think of this as your control center for all API-related activities. In the Developer Console, you'll see a button labeled Create New Token. Click on it to begin the token creation process. You'll be prompted to type a name for your token. Choose something descriptive that clearly indicates what you'll be using this token for, whether it's for a specific integration, automation, or project. This helps you keep track of multiple tokens if you create more in the future. Below the name field, you'll see an agreement checkbox. Make sure to check that box before proceeding. After you've named your token and agreed to the terms, click Create Token. Asana will generate a personal access token and display it on your screen. This is critical. Copy this token immediately and save it somewhere secure like a password manager because you won't be able to see it again once you close this window. This token is essentially your key to accessing the Asana API. Now that you have your token, you'll use it to authenticate your API requests. When making calls to the Asana API, include this personal access token in the authorization header using the format bearer your _ATSS_ token. This tells Asana's servers that you're authorized to access the data you're requesting. Finally, for details on which endpoints to use for tasks, projects, and other resources, refer to the Asana API documentation. It contains all the information you need about available endpoints, request formats, and response structures to build your integration successfully. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.